Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna share with you how to make delicious quinoa salad with roasted vegetables. For this delicious recipe, we will need 2 cups of cooked quinoa, cauliflower, zucchini, peppers, carrots, onions. Start by chopping onions. Add them into a bowl. Cut zucchini into cubes. Cauliflower, cut carrots into cubes. Peppers, and add them in. Add salt to your taste, Italian seasonings, black pepper, olive oil. Mix everything together. Distribute evenly on a baking sheet. Put it into the oven at 425 degrees for 30 minutes. When the vegetables are ready, add some garlic cloves and mix it together. Add quinoa into a salad bowl. Then vegetables. Squeeze half of a lemon. Add chopped green onions, black pepper, and salt to taste. Mix it. Add chopped parsley, olive oil. Mix everything. Now it's time to serve. If you enjoyed this video and want to see many more delicious recipes, go ahead and like, comment and subscribe. We will see you in the next one.